YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I did want to dive right into Shiba Inu because it seems like there's trouble in paradise today. We're breaking down off of this support that we had. Of course, because the rest of the market is just absolutely bleeding. It's something that we've been talking about on the channel, guys, this Bitcoin correction. The fact that we are still in a downtrend, the fact that we have not, broken up. We're actually seeing Bitcoin now breaking down. As you guys can see, this head and shoulders starting to play out. And this is kind of what we were talking about, what we were nervous about. And hopefully we don't lose all this progress that we've made over the past week. Because if we do, then we could possibly see a retest of some of these lower levels down here. Again, this is what I was saying about, I don't know, maybe a month ago, that we're going to probably see a retest of this 18K. After I saw this start to break down, this was kind of my indication that this might be a head and shoulders pattern that might, again, break down. We've seen this pattern play out plenty of times over the course of the chart. Here's a head and shoulders pattern that played out. It followed by, these events are usually followed by a huge capitulation, so big, massive sell-off. And that's kind of what I'm expecting here. This is what a lot of people, as you guys can see, are expecting. Some people saying that, Bitcoin's going to go back to 10K, 13K, as you guys can see. Still a lot of bulls also in the chat too. We still are at a point where we can see a breakout. It would take some serious buy pressures. You guys can see 24-hour volume only up 20%, so not a lot of people trading Bitcoin today, shorts and longs both. Just, it's very uncertain times. I think a lot of people are just like waiting to pull the trigger on a lot of this stuff. But what could this mean for Shiba Inu? How much of a price correction can we see with SHIB in the short term? Again, guys, I've been talking about this accumulation phase. I'm still buying these things, but I'm trying to buy them at the best possible price, and we might see another discount on SHIB this week. You guys can see we are starting to also correct with Bitcoin breaking down off of this uptrend and really sitting in some dangerous levels right now. Again, we might see SHIB start to capitulate as well, do one of these maybe, or even one of these. Hopefully we can do one of these where we have a massive sell-off and then start to retrace. Will we retest these lower levels? It's a possibility, but I think it's more a possibility that we retest something even lower, probably something like this 73. I think this is kind of where Bitcoin was at a bottom, and I think if Bitcoin heads back to 18, I think we could see a big sell-off with SHIB, and I think we'll probably retest these levels. In my opinion, this is not a bad time to be short on the market in the short term. But always, guys, we're always accumulating. So, once I hit, these good signs of some support, I am going to be a buyer again. But just right now, if I would be buying or selling, I think right now is more of it's a seller's market right now. I mean, it's a bear market right now. So, I do think that we have one more leg down, and then I do think that we will start to see somewhat of a retrace, but it's going to take time, guys. It's not going to happen overnight. There's some more big news coming out of the Fed in the next 2 weeks, so we'll kind of see what happens. Hopefully we are not trending down and testing that 18K support for the Fed, but I feel like that's what's going to happen, though. I feel like we'll be sitting at 18K the day of the Fed report, and then I honestly think the market will pump. I don't think that the market will dump much more. I hope that, and I've been saying that for a while now. I've been saying I think 18K is probably going to be our bottom, but again, that's not necessarily historically what Bitcoin has done, and I understand that. I know Bitcoin generally has bigger pullbacks. I just think that the game's a little different now. There's a lot more institutions involved, a lot more lost Bitcoin, a lot more Bitcoin that's just stuck on exchanges and stuff like this, and I think that the volatility that we've seen in the past, it's not going to be as drastic, and that's something that I was actually talking about early in the bull season when we were talking about this whole, when the first Bitcoin head and shoulders played out, really, which was back, I believe, in May. We started talking about just how far down this would go, and the fact that it really didn't look like a clear blow-off top. That's another thing, too. Like, this is not generally what a blow-off top would look like. As you guys could see, every time that we've reached all-time high with Bitcoin, we've had a clear blow-off top that was followed by a bear market, and then, we started to retrace. We had a clear blow-off top, but you guys could see here, this is not really a clear blow-off top. We retested this level twice, and then we just started kind of like retracing, kind of correcting a little bit. But in my opinion, guys, we are due for a pump. I still think Q4 is going to be great. I think that, again, this is an awesome time to be accumulating Bitcoin, but I do still see one more leg down, and I know that's not what some people want to hear, but that is what a lot of people want to hear, the people that are working, the people that are still accumulating. You know, some people are just sitting on their bags and not really buying. They got lazy. They got comfortable. But, guys, this is a buyer's market right now. And, again, you can still make money on the way down. So, yeah, that's just kind of like my take on it, what's going on in the market. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And we're going to keep following this SHIB. Maybe we'll follow this up with some SHIB news today. Also, what coins do you guys want to hear about? Let me know in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.